Hi guys, this is Chris from Vert Photography. This video is to show you guys how to use the templates I made for PhotoKey 6 Pro by FX Home. I hope you guys like the templates and enjoy them. If you want to contact me, you can do that through my website, vertphotography.com. Right here. I specialize in photo booth, event photo booth, and green screen photo booth photography. So you can contact me there through social media or through email, and I'd like to hear from you, and I'm looking forward to that. Now, the first thing I want you to do before you start opening the projects, make sure you have all the fonts installed on your computer. In the README text that I've included, it has links to all the fonts that I used, so you can download those and install them before you start. So let's open up the templates folder here. I have them in FX Home templates, and you can see there's all of these different folders in there. These are all the different templates. Now, all of the templates are basically built the same way, using a background PNG and a foreground PNG with transparency. I've saved as well some settings and effects in the PhotoKey 6 Pro file format. That's the PhotoKey Pro project. So let's take a look at one of the PhotoKey projects that's already completed here. I'll just open up black and gold and take you for a tour. And so it's just loading the images there. Okay, so PhotoKey opened up and everything's already in here. I expect the first time you open one of these templates, it won't be able to find the files because your computer file system is different from my computer file system. So I'll show you in a second how to relink those files. But first, I'm just going to take you for a tour of the settings. For starting off with the canvas setting, you want to set that as the background. The background is made as a 5:7 print. Your camera will probably make a photo that's a lot bigger than that. So if you set the canvas settings as background, it'll keep it a 5:7, and then you'll be able to scale scale the image from your camera down to fit the template. Now for the import, again, this is your model, much bigger than a 5:7, but I've scaled it down. And the background, you find it here. Now the key settings for this particular one is basically just the default settings from PhotoKey. That's what I like about PhotoKey. That's why I use it. It has a really good keying capabilities. But it looks like I did adjust the spill replacement to be more of a gold color, and then a bit of light wrap. You know, it's up to you. All these settings are to your taste, but this is what I have as default. Now, I don't believe I have any filters on this, but this is in the other templates I do have filters. So just go and take a look at the filters for the foreground and the background as you open it up. I do have effects on most of the templates that I've made. Most often I've used this tint. Now the tint gives you like a sepia toning, but I like it because it brings, if you have different colors between your background and foreground, like different color temperatures, if you add a tint, it kind of evens out the tones and evens out the colors so that they mix a lot better together. Here's what this particular template looks like without the tint. It looks fine, but it's a bit, the background's a bit more green than she is, if you know what I mean, for the color balancing. So I added a tint, a very light tint. I can bring it back a bit, and I think it works a bit better that way. Again, for the overlay, all the overlays are made with an alpha channel, and you can see that it looks kind of messed up because we're actually seeing the alpha channel here, and they are scaled to what they should be to fit. They are also 5:7. And for the text, all this text is customizable by you. You can either turn parts of it on or off, or just put in your own website, put in your own name there, change the color. Again, it's up to you. I showed you how to download the fonts beforehand, so this is where you would change the font to what you want. But it's already, for this template, it's Dolce Vita and that kind of font set. Now the next thing I want to do is actually show you how it will be most likely on your end when you try to open these templates for the first time. the background and the models won't be linked. So I'll show you quickly how to do that. It's super easy. I'll open my smoke template here with PhotoKey Pro. And as it loads up here, you can see it doesn't look that great right now, but it's because we have to relink all these files. So go to the canvas and make sure it's set as background, and it should be. Then go to import and background, and we're going to import the smoke template background here. Templates, and navigate to the smoke folder and choose the BG. There you go. And just double click that so it loads in your stage here, and I'll just delete the one that was there before. So a nice clean project. Now the overlay is the same thing. You can either go press the change button, or you can click here to relink. So I'll do that, and I'll just again navigate to the folder and relink the foreground. Boom, that looks good. Okay, and the import foreground, it's missing a subject here, a model, so I'll just remove that and import one of my models. These models are also included with the packaging, so you'll be able to mess around with them and learn PhotoKey that way. Just insert the model, and I will position her, resize her. It's up to you. And that is basically how you relink all these files. So thanks for watching this. I hope you guys enjoy these templates, and if you need any help, again, contact me or contact FX Home, and we'll try to put out some material so you guys know what's going on here. And thanks again.